Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to make a simple fall wreath with just a few items. So let's get started. The materials you'll need are artificial flowers, a glue gun and glue sticks, and a wreath of your choice. You can get different kinds of wreaths at the craft store. Now, I bought this all in one strand, like this was all connected together. So what I'm going to do is just cut the leaves and the flowers, and I'm going to sort them. This way, when I go to apply it to the wreath, it's going to be easier to do. I got these flowers at Michael's because I had a coupon. But you can also find flowers at places like the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General Store. So I'm just going to continue cutting and sorting my flowers. And during this time, you want to make sure you have your hot glue gun heated up. And here you'll see my wreath. So I'm just going to take the hot glue gun and put some glue on the back of the sunflower, find where I want to place it, and kind of angle it to the side and press down. You want to hold it down for a minute or so just to make sure it dries and stays put. So you can also kind of get a good idea before you start gluing of how you want to organize your wreath. Sometimes people place it on the wreath before they start gluing. That's fine. However you want to do it is up to you. So again, I'm just going to take one piece at a time and find the spot that I like, press, and hold it down. You only need to place glue on the parts where you're going to be pressing. A lot of the leaves are perfect for covering the wreath. See? And this is a perfect little DIY that you can do to kind of get ready for fall, or you can also have your kids help. You'll also get little strands of the hot glue that you'll just want to take off. So again, I'm just showing how I'm gluing the flowers around the wreath. And like I said, this is a nice little DIY fall project. So just keep going around the wreath the way you like. Doesn't have to be in any particular order. Just make it your wreath. So I'm just trying to like even out the flowers. I'm going to have flowers on both sides and just try to even out the look the best that I can. So just keep going, gluing your flowers wherever you want them, and have fun. And this is what my finished wreath looks like. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I just want you to have fun with it. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos like this. And I will see you at the next one. Bye!